Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about from where did I buy my classes during CA intermediate and CA final. So first of all, I come from a place where there is no physical classes and I had no option but either to move to Delhi for taking my CA course classes or I can buy them online. But when I was in CA intermediate, there were not a lot of options to buy the classes online. But when I was searching through the YouTube, I found some of the classes, and it was the first time when that particular faculty has launched online classes. But since I was having no other option, and I don't wanted to shift to Delhi at that point of time, since I was only having 9 months, and I thought that it would be very overwhelming, I decided that I would do self study. But then that was not working out well. So I was searching through the YouTube and I came across online classes. I bought 6 out of 8 online classes, and other two I did through YouTube and some self study. So that's how I did my CA inter. CA inter was more out of no option left for me rather than being a choice. But for CA finals, I shifted to Delhi for my articleship. So I was having the choice that either I can go for offline classes or online classes. The reason I decided to go for online classes was that A, they're time saving. I would have been traveling in the morning to reach to my satellite center or that particular teacher's coaching and maybe 6 a.m. in the morning, and I am not an early riser. Even if I wake up early, then also I just can't be productive in the morning itself. Second reason was productivity. Usually people go for offline classes because they feel that they can't study alone in a room, they can't study without a proper ambience. But for me, since I have always done self study in CA Inter also, I was starting from the online classes, it was not a problem. I was self motivated, I was self disciplined to watch my classes on time, to make the best out of it, and also revising the chapter after I have done my classes. So I was able to save my time, I was able to be productive, and third thing was flexibility. In offline classes, if you miss your particular class timing, then you just miss the class. Okay, on LMS portal you can get the classes, but again it's a process, right? And you have to leave the class in between if there is something urgent in your office. But in the online classes, you can watch them anytime as per your flexibility. So whenever I used to come back from office at 7 p.m., I can watch my class. Whenever it was 10 p.m., I can watch my class. Let's say if I don't have to go to office for a day, work from home, or for any other reason, I can watch 3 hours of class in the morning itself. So the flexibility that online classes provide me was amazing. So mainly there were 3 reasons: time saving, productivity, and flexibility, for which I decided to go for online classes, and that really worked well for me. So yeah, these were my reasons for choosing a particular mode, but I don't say that it would work for everyone. You should decide what kind of person you are. Maybe you can take a mix: offline classes for a few subjects and online classes for other subjects, but you have to evaluate what works well for you. At the end, whatever you study during a class, you should be able to understand and remember. Secondly, you should be able to complete your classes on time. These should be two critical parameters while you decide or while you make a choice between offline and online classes. If you want to know anything specific about the choice I made about the classes, or how do I choose a particular teacher for a subject, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.